Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Search Console while signed into the Google account that manages the site. Once signed in, make sure you know the exact site URL format, HTTPS versus HTTP and www versus non-www, because verification depends on that. Next, go to the Apps grid or type Search Console in Google and click the Search Console result. If this is your first time, click Start Now. From here, you'll add a property. Choose the correct property type to avoid verification errors later. Now add your site property. Choose domain when you need all subdomains and both HTTP and HTTPS covered, or URL prefix if you only need a specific protocol and path. Click Add Property and follow the verification options. DNS-TXT is most comprehensive. HTML file upload or HTML tag work if you control the server or CMS. Google Analytics or Tag Manager work if you already have those configured. Once you submit DNS-TXT, make sure to allow up to 48 hours for propagation, then click Verify. After verification, open Performance, Coverage, and Sitemaps to confirm data flow and indexing. Use URL inspection on specific pages to see crawl status and to request indexing once a page is ready. If verification fails, make sure the exact site URL format matches the property, confirm your DNS-TXT entry is correct and active, or that the HTML file/tag is placed in the site root. One key troubleshooting tip: clear CDN or caching layers that may block the verification file or tag, then retry verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.